Hi, this is Alex with Tresseo. Welcome to this quick tutorial on using the File Manager in DirectAdmin. Whether you're managing website files or making quick edits on the fly, the File Manager is a powerful DirectAdmin tool that's secure, accessible from any device, and incredibly user-friendly. So let's get started. After you've logged into DirectAdmin, you will click on the File Manager. This is where you can see all your files and directories of your website. By default, you'll start in your home directory. From here, you can navigate to your primary folder, public_HTML, where your website files are stored, or domains, which organizes files by domain name. If you have add-on or subdomains, those domains will appear as additional folders here. Now, if you right-click in the window where the files are displayed, a menu should open up displaying options. Some of these are visual accessibility options and options to create a folder, create a file, or upload a new file. You can also find these create and upload options on the far left side. Simply click on the upload button and then you can click to open up the file finder on your computer or device, or you can easily drag and drop files into this box. If you need to edit a file, like a configuration file or a piece of code, just right-click on the file name. DirectAdmin's built-in editor will open it up. You can make your changes, save them, and they'll take effect immediately. You also have great theme options within this text editor. The file manager can work with all sorts of types of files for website developers, offers line numbers and line wrap. And there are a few viewing themes from the text editor which you can choose from. Okay, let's go back to the file manager. Now, if you need to delete or move a file, no problem. If you delete a file, choose to skip the trash and permanently delete the file by flipping this trash switch. If you're moving files, just specify the destination folder and then you're done. You can also rename and download. And permissions are another important feature. If you need to restrict or grant access to a file or folder, click the permissions button. You'll see options to read, write, execute permissions for the owner group and others. And this is especially useful for keeping your files secure. It's vital that you do not delete these outside folders. You should only be creating or adding files to this folder, your domain's public_HTML folder. Now, there are some additional settings found here in the bottom left corner. You have the option for your preferred archive type to show your folder sizes, your preferred layout style, how the files are displayed, and the color scheme, which is just a dark and bright mode. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to use DirectAdmin's File Manager to upload, edit, move, and manage your files securely and efficiently. Whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or even your phone, the File Manager makes hosting management a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and feel free to ask questions. Until next time, happy hosting.